पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. In first chapter we saw Sah Tau Te. Bhavati, Gacchati, Agacchati, Likhati, Pathati, Hasati, Krandati, Atra, Tatra, Kutra, Anyatra, Sarvatra. First chapter over. Second chapter we saw Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. In that we saw Rakshati, Vadati, Pachati, Patati, Namati. All these Kriyapad. And Yada, Tada, Kada, Sada. Second chapter over. Vanam, Vane, Vanani, that is there. First chapter, Pullinga. Second chapter, Napunsaklinga. Third chapter, we saw Aham, Avam, Vayam. And Drushyati, Pashyati, Tishtati, Sidati, Pibati, yeah, and without seeing, Jigrati, Jayati, like that, Ji Jayati. Irregular means Ji Jayati, like that. Smru, Smarati, all this. And Itaha, Tataha, Kutaha. Itaha means from here, Tataha means from there, Kutaha means from where. And this much we saw up to here. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Dvitiya. Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Prathama. Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Dvitiya. Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Prathama. Ramam, Rame, Ramaha, Dvitiya. Okay. Kantha, Talavya, Murdhanya, Dantya, Osthya, Rasva, Dirgha, we saw 33 consonant, 13 vowels. On fingers also we saw. This much so far we have seen. In 4 minutes we recapped everything. Okay, so today last just 2-3 avyaya indeclinables of third chapter, and we will enter in fourth chapter. And you will write down the sentences of third chapter. Now last very simple portion. Some avyaya. Avyaya means indeclinables. Indeclinables means whenever they come in sentence, they won't decline, like Ramaha, Ramo. Kim always will come Kim. Yada always will come as Yada. Okay. So before going to that, this should be in our head. Always now. Yeah. This I ask you to write down. Saha and Tau. See, we were talking about the same thing. You make subject and verb thorough first. Object is easy to add, but subject is little bit difficult. This is important table. Pratham Purush, Madhyam Purush, Uttam Purush. Okay, this should be thorough. One dhatu we have by hearted, like Gacchati. In tradition, Bhavati they by heart. But initially Bhavati is difficult to understand. Like Bhu Bhavati means what? Like to be, but difficult to understand. So we took Gacchati. Any dhatu if I give, you should be able to decline like Gacchati. And Sahataute is similar. Okay. This much we saw last time. Bala, everything. Itaha, Tataha is also important. Yataha means since, yeah, therefore. Two meanings are there. Only now last portion is remaining here. Kim. Very easy. Like Balakah kim pashyati. What he sees. Balakah kim khadati. Like that. Balakah Ishwarah Kim rakshati, like that. Katham means how. Balakah katham likhati. Bhavan katham asti. Bhavati katham asti. Easy. Kim katham. Katham means how. Balakah katham gacchati. How he goes. Kim katham. And last is na. If you just add na, the meaning will be reverse. Balakah na patati. He doesn't fall. Ishwarah na rakshati. Iti na. ऐसा नहीं है. Mata na pachati. Na will change the meaning into no. This much. Kim, what? Katham, how? Na means no. Okay, one sentence. We can move ahead. Please make one sentence. Whichever dhatu you remember, whichever verb. मीनाक्षी जी क्विक. हाँ, यस, बोलिए. यस, हाँ.
किम पठति सर.
Patati how will come? That is why that table. Tvam pathasi only will come. Tvam kim patasi? Aham pustakam pathami. Answer will be aham pustakam pathami. Question will be tvam kim pathasi? Pathati won't come. Now Rupa ji, any sentence. Kim katham na. Any dhatu.
Okay, with kim katham. Okay. Saha kim khadati.
Very good. Saha kim khadati? Saha amra phalam khadati. He eats mango. Now pay attention here. Kim, saha kim hasati will not come. Kim hasati, kya, what he laughs. So that is intransient verb. Akarmak dhatu. So with that kim will not happen. Okay. Baki theek hai. Yes. That is a side point, not needed here. Yes. Vishakha, one sentence.
Vishakha katham kridati.
Vishakha katham kridati. Very good. How she plays. Shweta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, one sentence. Kim katham na. Any sentence. Anyone. Yeah, be focused in class, okay? Stay tuned. Kim katham. Okay. Itah tatah. When you write sentences, practice will be done there. So I am not taking separate practice in class. But when you write with full attention and focus. Okay. We are entering into fourth chapter. Abhyasa 4. Abhyasa 4. What is going to come in this? Chalo. In this, first point will come kru dhatu, which is very, very important. Kru dhatu, very, very important. Every now and then you will see this kru dhatu. So all 9 forms they are going to come. Kru becomes karoti. We say shubham karoti kalyanam karoti. Yad yad karma karomi. All this is that. Kru dhatu. Then next dhatu is as dhatu. Very, very important. Asti. Santi. Asmi. Aham brahmasmi. Ayam atma brahma. Like that. Aham brahmasmi. Aham vasantah asmi. I am Vasant. Aham shikshakah asmi. I am teacher. Aham nartaki asmi. Dancer. Aham chhatrah asmi. All this will come. Asti, asmi, sthah, like that. Tattvam asi. All this is important. Okay. And here, very important part is pratyahar. That we'll see first. Pratyahar, they are going to come. Pratyahara. What is pratyahara? This we'll see now in today. Pratyahara. ओके, प्रत्याहार बनाना. Okay. Many more things are there. We can write down, but here they have not given, so I will not write. Chalo. Shall we move ahead? One dhatu we are going to remember today 9 forms and how to make pratyahar. Okay. First of all, understand what is the use of this pratyahar. है ना? Use of this pratyahar. This pratyahar. So our whole Sanskrit is standing upon sutra. Whole Sanskrit. We are not seeing any sutra. We are seeing translation. Only translation in Hindi, in easy language we are seeing. But whole Sanskrit is standing upon, or foundation is sutra. Like Panini Maharshi Sutra, Patanjali Maharshi Sutra, like that. And all sutra, they are very shortest version. All sutra, very small sutra. Eko Yanachi. Like for example, just one sample I am just presenting. Eko Yanachi. This is one sutra. Then what is ik? We don't know. What is yan? We don't know. What is achi? That also we don't know. Okay. Eko Yanachi. Like that, many sutra, 4,000 sutra, 4,000 main sutra. And after that came many more sutra, like that. Ashtadhyayi, 4,000 sutra. This is the base of whole Sanskrit. So all sutra, they are in shortest form, short form. And that short form is called pratyahar. So right, just like I wrote one sutra, Eko Yanachi. So if you want to understand what is ik, what is yan, so ik is pratyahara, yan is pratyahara, achi is pratyahara, means short form. And how to, what is mean by ik, what is mean by yan, any sutra you will understand if you know how to make pratyahar. It is really simple, no need to worry. So in order to make pratyahar, we have to know 14 sutra, 14 basic fundamental of Maheshwara Sutra it is called. So what is the, first of all, what is the use of, in order to understand sutra, we need pratyahar. Okay. To understand sutra, maxim is, sutra is called maxim. Sutra, we need to know pratyahar. Okay, this is the answer. What is the use of pratyahar? This pratyahara, to understand any sutra, we need pratyahara. Now, next portion, how to make this pratyahar. So there are 14 sutras. Okay, it is told that in tradition, when Panini Maharshi was going, there is story also. Panini Maharshi was going to suicide because he was, helpless and suffering in his life, and he was going to suicide. And there he saw, there he heard some voice of Shankarji's Damru, Damru. And from that Damru, he heard 14 swaras, 14 letters, 14 alphabets, 14 sutras. Okay. and that sutra they are known as Maheshwara Sutra. Panini Maharshi heard it, but it is in tradition. It is the belief that from the Lord Shiva's Damru, this all sutra came. That is why it is called Maheshwara Sutra. Maheshwar means Lord Shiva. And how many they are? 14. 14 sutra. So basic are 14. From 14, the Vistar has been done by our great Acharyas. Okay. So these 14 sutras in order we have to remember. Then only you will be able to make out, you will be able to make pratyahar. If you just, here and there shifting of sutra, you won't be able to do that. So first is, first attempt, you will feel this is really difficult. But every time whenever we come, we will repeat that. So eventually you will say it is very easy. So first sutra is a I una. I un. Okay, I un. We say, I un is the first sutra. If you write down this way horizontally, will be better. I un. Next is rul ruk. Ru ruk. Last one is halanta. Last one is downstroke, like small one. I un rul ruk. Second sutra. I un rul ruk. This way we by hearted in our Gurukul. Rul ruk. A ong. A ong. A ong. A ong. I un rul ruk. A ong. When you understand how to make pratyahar, it is really easy. But to remember sutras, you have to put forth efforts. Rul ruk. Hayavarat. Ha ya va ra ta. Hayavarat. Ta is halanta. Last one is halanta. Hayavarat. I un rul ruk. A ong. A one I forgot. I ouch. Okay, this one is fifth. I ouch. This everybody will remember very fast, quickly. I ouch. I ouch. I ouch. I ouch. A o a I un rul ruk. A ong. I ouch. Hayavarat. Learn. 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 This is sixth one. This much is today's difficult portion. Further you will find easy. Learn. Yamangananam. Ya ma anga nam. Yamangananam. Difficult to pronounce. Ya ma anga nam. Yamangananam. I un rul ruk. A ong. I ouch. Hayavarat. Lan. Yamangananam. Nam. Nana is different. Na is different. 7 are over. Very small. Okay. 8th one. Purposely I am repeating it so that impressions are made. Jabhai. This also we will remember. Jabhai. Jabhai. And today we'll just learn how to make pratyaharas. Further in future we'll see how to understand sutra. One sutra, if you understand how to understand a sutra, any sutra you can take. Jabhai. Ghadadash. 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 I, un, rul, ruk, a, ong, I, ouch, hayavarat, lan, yamangananam, jhabhai, ghadadash. Only 5 more. Jabagadash. 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 Akra, you can see, you can feel how that damru would have produced sound. Kha, pha, cha, this is the difficult one for me also. Kha, pha, cha, ta, ta. Cha, tha. If you can make this pronunciation properly, you know all places, everything is very spashta, clear. Kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, chatatau. This last one is the chatatau. Kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, chatatau. Fast also you can say kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, chatatau. Kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, chatatau. Next is easy to remember, kapai. 13th one. Shasasar. Sha, sha, sir. Shasasar. And 14th one is हल. ये तो सबसे ज्यादा पहले ध्यान में रखें. हल. हल. आई, उन, रुल, रुक, ए, ओंग, आई, औच, हयवरट, लण, यमंगणम, झभय, घड़दश, जबगड़दश, ख, फ, छ, ठ, थ, चटतव, कपय, श, सर, हल. शससर, हल. इति माहेश्वर सूत्राणि. इति means these all are Maheshwar Sutra. So you cannot disturb the sequence. I, un should be first. Yamangaranam should be at 7th place. You can't say, you can't misplace them. I, un, rul, ruk, a, ong, I, ouch, hayavarat, lan, yamangaranam, jhabhai, ghadadash, jabagadash. ओ घड़दश. ओ जैसे घड़धश. sorry if you have done that. घड़धश. कैसे मैंने ये लिख दिया. घड़दश, घड़धश, जबगड़दश, ख, फ, छ, ठ, थ, चटतौ, कपै, श, सर, हल. घड़धश. On the first page of your notebook, you write down this. So whenever you open Sanskrit book, you read that and then go inside. Whether we sutra or see a sutra or not, that is a future part, but we should know sutra thoroughly. I, un, rul, ruk, a, ong, I, ouch, hayavarat, lan, yamangaranam, jhabhai, घड़धश, जबगड़दश, ख, फ, छ, ठ, थ, चटतौ, कपै, शससर, हल. Okay. Now let us learn how to make pratyahara. If you want to understand the order of this is, first of all swara. You can see a, I, U, Ru, A, O, all swaras. Then second comes here antastha. ह य व रट अंतस्थ. Order of sutra, whatever we saw in last class. Antastha. Okay. Third comes all 5 vargas. हाँ, all 5 वर्गस नेजल फॉर्म है ना. उसे हमने क्या बोला था? व्हाट डिड वी से? अनुनासिक. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, अनुनासिक. यमंगणनम, ऑल दीज आर अनुनासिक. देन नेक्स्ट इज fourth line, second, third line, fourth line, like that. Like ja ba ga da da, fourth, gha da dhash, fourth, है ना. What I'm talking, ka kha ga gha, so gha, ga da dash, jha bha, all fourth, means chaturtha, fourth column you can say, chaturtha, chaturtha column. And then उसके बाद in sequence it is coming third, तृतीय column, तृतीय column, third column, and then first column, the second. now बहुत है इसमें, तृतीय, द्वितीय, प्रथम अक्षर, and at the end उष्म वर्ण, sibilant we say, sh, sh, s, r, sh, sar. Okay, so these I will write together only. Tritiya, so chaturtha, tritiya, dvitiya means what? Column. These all are a column. So easy to remember sutra also, because you know columns horizontally, vertically, both way. Dvitiya and prathama. These are what? Columns. And fifth one is what? Ushma varna. Sh. Ushma varna. U is rasva? No, dirgha. Ushma varna. This is how it is followed. Swara means a, I, un, rul, up to here. Then antastha, ha, ya, va, ra, la. All these are antastha. Then anunasik. Like that it follows. If you don't remember this, doesn't matter. Don't worry. Just in case, because we are going to remember this sutra. So no need of again. This is just one format I said. Okay. Now how to make pratyahara. Pratyahara means, I told you, short form. Pratyahara means short form. So chalo, pratyahara. Pratyahara, like short form. Short form. If I want to make ik pratyahara, chalo, that sutra only will ik or chalo first ik pratyahara. So whenever you make any pratyahara, like ik is the pratyahara, short form. So you have to say, see where I is the first letter there in sutra. So ik pratyahara we are making. You have to say where is I. So you can find here is I. Okay. You take that I, from there you start, and you have to leave the last halanta part. This you have to leave. Okay. And where is ik? Where is ka? This is ka here. So ik pratyahara means what? You will start with I, u. Na you will drop, because it is halanta. We drop last letter, and ru and lru. This will be ik pratyahara. I will repeat again with second example. So ik pratyahara means what? You start with I, u, I, un. So I, U, na you will drop because last halanta we drop. A, I, U, na. So A, I, U, and next is Ru and Lu. Ka you will not take because it is last letter. So ik pratyahara means what? A, I, Ru, Ru. एक मिनट फिर से लेट मी सी. हाँ, I, U, Ru, Ru. Ik pratyahara. Second example I will tell, means same way. If I want to say ach, ach. So what you will do? First you will see first end and last end. So here you go. Where is ach? In the beginning only. So you will start from that a. And where is cha? O, ended here. Cha. So you will take a, I, U. Na you will draw. Rul, Ru. You will take. Ka you will draw. A, O, Nga you will draw. I, Au, Cha you will not take. So ach pratyahara means what? A, I, U, Na you will not take. Ru, Ru, Ka you will draw. A, I, Un, Rul, Ruk. A, Ong, O you will take. Nga you will draw. A, if you know sutra, it is easy to make pratyahara. I, Un, Rul, Ruk. A, Ong. I, Au, Cha you will draw. So what is mean by ach? Ach means a, I, U, Rul, Ru, A, O, A, Au. I, Au. This is ach. See, a, I, U, Rul, Ru, A, O, Ouch. Means ach means all pratyahara, all swaras. Got the point? How to make pratyaharas? Easy. First, you see the two end first. Drop last end and each sutra last letter you have to drop. Like that, how many pratyaharas practice I have to do? Many. But as sutra comes, we will revisit pratyahara. But the by heart you have to do. On first page you write down. So each time whenever you open, every time whenever you open your book, notebook, you just read that. I, Un, Rul, Druk, A, Ong, I, Ouch, Hayavarat, Lan, Yamangananam, Javai, Ghada, Dhash, Jabagada, Dhash, Kha, Pha, Cha, Tha, Tha, Chatatau, Kapai, Chasasar, Hal. Like that. Okay. I have been practicing, so I know. Okay, I want to write down, for example, Hal pratyahara, Hal. So I cannot just start here and end here. Hal pratyahara. I have to see where is her, where is her, where is her. So you will find her is here. And La at the end means what? Starting from her, all will come. In short, Hal pratyahara means all consonant. What do you say? Ach means all vowels. Hal means all consonant. If you feel this is very difficult and hard, the table Ka, Kha, Ga, Ganga, if you remember that, from that table also we can fit in this. Because this is what nothing but table only, right? Chaturtha. But we say by heart this. This is Lord Shiva's prasad to whole universe. From that everything came. Chalo, now Hal means Jash pratyahara means starting from Ja, Jha, Bha, Gha, Da, Dha, Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Da. Jash pratyahara. So sutra will be there. Jhalam, Jash, Jashi. So Jhal pratyahara means starting from Ja up to La. Jhalam, Jash, Jashi. This will be sutra. Then how to take the meaning? There is different part. Like Jhal, when Jhal is there, in front of that Jash come, then Jashi will happen. That is different thing. But basic is this. If I say yan pratyahara means ya var la. Yan pratyahara starting with ya, ending in na, ya var la. So here I am writing a few one. Yan. Yan means ya var la. See here you have to understand the mechanism or the science. No need to by heart. And the sutra you by heart, all pratyahara is by heart. Yan. Ha ya, ha you will drop because you are starting with ya. Like that. Okay, now I will ask you one or two. At pratyahara. At pratyahara, what will be there? Write down in your notebook. At pratyahara. Because sutra is there. Ati cha. At pratyahara, what will come? You write down. I won't write down. 1 minute, 1.46 seconds you have. At pratyahara, what will come? Any doubt? In ach you already know. In that only up to ta you have to add. So I will pick up this from here only. Ach. So where is ta? Here. So up to ach. Ha ya var. This much you have to add. Ha ya var. This is at pratyahara. Starting with a, ending in r. Here. Okay, we'll be back in 1 minute. And then we'll see some more.